Hey guys, this week we're going to talk about CR 520 inside floor finish.
Inside floor finish is a high-gloss, long-lasting, renewable maintenance coat for interior concrete floors. Inside floor finish is applied on top of fully cured sealer. Make sure your floor is clean and dry before applying though. It's a good idea to line your mop bucket with a clean garbage bag. This way you can store your mop in between coats. To apply inside floor finish, you're going to want to use a mop with a finishing mop head and a mop bucket. You can expect to get about 1,000 square feet or 93 square meters per gallon. The initial application of floor finish, you should apply 6 to 8 thin coats, and for routine maintenance, 1 to 2 thin coats should be just fine. Always apply using a figure 8 pattern to ensure full coverage. Drying times on floor finish are 5 to 15 minutes before it's dry to the touch, 30 minutes for recoat, 1 hour for some light foot traffic, and 5 hours for a full cure. Cleanup is easy, just use soap and water.
Alright, as you can see, inside floor finish is the perfect way to maintain the shine and protect your interior decorative concrete. I hope you found this video useful. If so, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care of yourself, be kind to each other.